Yesterday, we looked at the EURUSD and also the USDCHF based on the opposite movement most times, meaning that if the EURUSD is going up, then you should be expecting the USDCHF to be going down. It's a pleasure to have everybody here again, back to the channel CSAFOREX, where we talk about how to trade the market the proper way. If you watched yesterday's video, the link will be in the description. You'll notice that we're looking forward to price pushing higher to test this area of supply, right? And we're actually long back to this place here. But then if you look at what we now have, price has tested and then we are back shots here. But then my only fear now is that the momentum, the pressure for the sellers is not that visible for me, probably because it got there at the close of New York yesterday. Also, another thing for me, even though I'm inside and I've reduced my stops were just slightly above here before, right? So now that I've entered and I've reduced my stop just to protect myself even better. What I'm expecting now is if it pushes higher, no problem. Let's see if we have another entry to short and then take it down. But if it goes down, no problem, I'm already in. So you have to always have, pictures of what might happen in the market before it even plays out. Today, the economic calendar is pretty light. So I'm not really expecting some high impact moves, some sudden moves, only if there's a form of breaking news that occurs, right? So this is for the EURUSD. And remember, the USDCHF is in the opposite direction. That means that if we are selling the EURUSD now, then we should be buying the USDCHF. And as you can see, yes, indeed, we are buying. But don't forget, we talked about that push by the buyers. It's not there yet for the USDCHF. The push for the buyers for the USDCHF and the push for the sellers for the EURUSD, it's not that momentum is not there. Let's see how London, picks up when it opens. So from what we have over here, right, this was a good area as we mentioned yesterday. As you can see, we had resistance, some more form of support. You can see some support here, some resistance here. So this was a good area to look for long positions. Now that we're in, we've reduced our stops. Let's see if the market will push higher back to this area here. If it does, fine. But don't forget also, today is a Friday. Friday is notorious for profit-taking day. So with that said, for what we have over here, we're going to pay attention to this. Stops have been reduced on the EURUSD and the USDCHF. It's one thing to get entries. It's another thing to manage the trades appropriately. Do you want to know how to manage your trades? If you do, you can hit the book a call in the description. Let's have a chat. Let's see what we can do for you. Do you want to know how to draw support and resistance levels that will help you to know where the price is going to and where the price is coming from in order for you to place trades like a pro? If your answer is yes, there is a link in the description to the free course that will teach you how to draw support resistance using price action and also how to use it on different time frames. Trust me, this works on all time frames, whether you're a scalper, you're a day trader, you are a swing or position trader. This is how to trade. As simple as it is, it works, right? I want to say thank you. It is a Friday, 19th of November, 2021. And of course, the market will be rounding up sooner than later. Use the weekend to get some rest and also take some time out to review what happened this week, what you did wrong, what you did right, how you could have improved in your trading. And then also, if you are new or if you are yet to hit the subscribe button, look at it at the corner. Go there and smash that subscribe button now, and also give this video a thumbs up. It will encourage us to do more videos, and also comment in the section below for videos you like to see or anything you like to see, any instruments, and then we'll see what we can do for you. Thank you, everybody. That's indeed been a good one. God bless you and enjoy your weekend. Goodbye.